all of you are welcome to the English Miklik show on Mikleckx Pro YouTube channel. Today is an unboxing and review video. Today we unboxing is Asus Vivobook. Let's go video. Without much talk, please subscribe my channel, like and share my video.
So, like I said, let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. If I could be smarter than the box, it just falls. So first look right there, it's got a nice sleeve, a nice little box. Ooh, there's not much weight to that, that's nice. Of course, we've got the manuals, again, nobody reads those. And so go ahead and slide that over to the side and take a look what's in the actual box itself. Of course, a nice lightweight power charger, and doesn't look like that comes apart or anything. Nothing in there, nothing in there, and nothing at all, nothing, okay. Nothing else, that's all it comes with. So we got the charger, and yeah, let's go ahead and pull this thing out. So for those that are wondering, this is the gunmetal color. So it looks like we've got the USB 2.0s on the left side here. And it looks like we have also got looks like a micro hand side of the unit. So again, let's go ahead and open it up and take a first glance. Ooh, nice. Actually, we're gonna keep that. We probably want to keep that. Like I said, thin and light Ergo Life hinge and nano display. Yeah, the bezels on this thing is really nice, and they've incorporated the webcam really well. I love the keyboard style. It looks very heavy duty. Kind of give you guys an idea. This looks like right there. I like it. And like I said, the battery is definitely in there because it doesn't have a removable battery like old laptops, and it's really lightweight. One of the coolest features, which might be a little hard to see as well, but as you open the lid, it props up the back. Since there wasn't much in the box other than the power cable and some sleeves to protect the laptop, where to go in, I'm going to set up the initial profile. Since it does ship with Windows 10, I'll need to set that up, and then we'll take a look at the actual specs of the computer. But before we do that, I wanted to show you guys just a kind of a quick comparison. I do have a MacBook Pro 13-inch right here next to me. I want to kind of show you guys a comparison of the size of them together. Like, this thing is a very lightweight, and so you can definitely see that there's some size difference. I mean, if we put this on top, we've got, might be a little bit hard to see again, but you can see that overall, like, the MacBook Pro 13-inch is very small, but this Asus is definitely, like, it seems like a 15-inch screen, but in like a 14-inch body. So it's got a really nice, like, screen to body ratio. So let's jump into the computer and take a look.
First thing you're going to notice, it is a very pretty display, and it has very thin bezels. But if we go on into the display properties, you will notice that it is a 1920 by 1080 screen, giving us plenty of resolution for us to open up our windows and manage them. Another great thing about this resolution, aside from it being a full HD, is the colors and also the viewing angle for when you're trying to watch those late night YouTube videos. The next thing that I noticed on this laptop is the keyboard. It has a solid construction design with a natural feeling, but also doesn't compromise on a tactile response. And of course, we can't forget that the keyboard is also backlit with 3 different brightness modes as well as an off mode, making this keyboard very easy to use even if you're in a dark environment. Another cool feature about this laptop that I really liked was the hinge system. As soon as you open up the display when it's on a flat surface, it will lift up the back end of the laptop, giving you a more ergonomic feel to the keyboard. Overall, the first impressions are great. The Asus Vivobook S15 is a powerful laptop with a great backlit keyboard, beautiful full HD display, and a lightweight design paired with a great battery life, giving you about 7 to 8 hours of moderate use, making this laptop a great laptop for day-to-day use, running in at right around